In a jubilant celebration of divine love and devotion, Atlanta Namadwar recently organized the 100th Sri Radha Madhav Vivah Mahotsav in Cumming, Georgia. The grand event drew more than 400 devotees from across the region, coming together to experience the sacred union of Radha and Krishna in an atmosphere suffused with divine energy. The Mahotsav, renowned for its unique spiritual fervor, unfolded amidst the resonant vibrations of Nama Sankirtan, the collective chanting of the Lord's name. Devotees immersed themselves in the melodious chants, which served as a medium to transcend worldly worries and connect with the divine. The highlight of the celebration was the mesmerizing darshan of Sri Radha Madhav, beautifully adorned and radiating divine charm. The enactment of their celestial wedding was steeped in symbolic rituals, drawing parallels to the timeless bond of love and devotion between Radha and Krishna. As the chants reached a crescendo, devotees were transported to a realm of pure bliss, their hearts filled with gratitude and reverence. The vibrant decorations, intricate floral arrangements, and traditional attire added to the ethereal atmosphere.
Disciple of Maharanyam Sri Muralidhara Swamiji, who is based in Chennai and who does a lot of temple kainkariam, temple service, and a lot of Kumbhabhishekams in Chennai, and his main dharma and that he propagates is Mahamantra chanting. The chanting of Hare Rama Mahamantra is the simplest and easiest way for liberation, and in order to establish this dharma worldwide, he has established a lot of centers called Namadwars, where we have around more than 35 Namadwars in India, especially in Tamil Nadu and parts of Kerala, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. And in America also, we have a lot of Namadwars here. And today I am standing as a part of our Atlanta Namadwar, where we celebrated our 100th Radha Madhava Vivaham here. It's a very auspicious occasion. I'm really grateful and humbled by the grace of our beloved Guru that we could celebrate such an event here.
Today we are so happy to celebrate our 100th Radha Madhava Vivah. So we have done Kalyana Utsavams in over 99 homes in and around Atlanta, and today is our 100th Kalyanam. And in addition to that, we have done Nama Sankirtan in over 500 homes in Atlanta. So we are so blessed to celebrate this Utsavam today by the blessings of our Guru Maharaj, His Holiness Maharanyam Sri Muralidhara Swamiji.
Every time I come to this satsang, I feel divinity, and it gives me opportunities to speak, to learn, and about all the Mahimas in Bhagavatam and other scriptures, and I'm able to feel the divinity every time I come to satsang. This day, I cannot tell you how much it means to each and every person over here. You know, the endless amount of Radha Kalyanam we have done to get to this day, purely from Guru Kripa. I feel beyond blessed to be in a satsang like this. In a world where we have so many distractions around us, I feel like satsang is that one thing I can rely on every single week to, you know, not divert me from my path, keep me reinforced in my values, and always make me stay grateful to Bhagavan and my Guru. So I have no words to say other than thank you to everyone and Kishorji and every single adult in satsang who takes such good care of us.
According to Mahants, Bhagwats perform Sri Radha Kalyan Utsavam, praying to the divine couple Radha and Krishna, so that everyone who is part of the Vaibhavam is blessed with wealth, grains and good health. Atlanta Namadwar is a part of a global network of spiritual centers dedicated to the propagation of Nama Sankirtan as a simple yet powerful path to inner peace and divine connection. Events like the Sri Radha Madhav Vivah Mahotsav exemplify the mission of fostering a world united by love and devotion.